Are you ready to start your fitness journey but don't know where to begin? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to unravel the essential steps to kickstart your fitness journey. Fitness is more than just an aesthetic pursuit. It is a lifestyle choice that has far-reaching benefits for your overall health and wellness. Regular exercise can increase energy levels, boost mood, reduce the risk of diseases, and enhance self-confidence. So, where do we start? The first step in your fitness journey is setting realistic and achievable goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART for short. It's not about setting the bar high and falling short. It's about setting a bar that's just right for you and consistently reaching it. Once you have your goals in place, the next step is to design a workout plan. A well-thought-out plan is your roadmap to success. This involves identifying the right exercises for your goals, structuring your workouts, incorporating a mix of cardio and strength training, and gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts. But remember, fitness isn't just about exercise, it's also about nutrition. Fueling your body with the right foods is just as important as your workout. This means making balanced choices, planning your meals, controlling portion sizes, and incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your diet. And of course, to stay on track and keep yourself motivated, it's important to monitor your progress. This can be done through a workout journal, taking measurements, or using fitness apps and wearable devices. Find what works best for you, and don't forget to reward yourself for hitting those milestones. In summary, starting your fitness journey involves understanding the importance of fitness, setting SMART goals, designing a workout plan, eating healthily, and tracking your progress. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, so take that first step today. Start small, stay consistent, celebrate every win along the way, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey to fitness. Remember, it's not about the destination, but the journey itself. So get out there, believe in yourself, and enjoy the transformation that awaits you. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.